To start, unfold the rollator frame by pulling apart the two sides. Lock the frame in its open position by pushing forward on the small black lever located at the front folding hinge until it is straight. Fit each hand grip down into the tubes located at the top of the assembly frame. Next, adjust the hand grips to your desired height. Make sure the predetermined holes on both the hand grip and assembly frame are aligned and secure into place using one of the included hand screws. Repeat this on both sides. Next, you'll pull the rear wheel out and away from the front of the frame. You will hear the locking pin on the lower frame bar lock into place. Repeat this on both sides of the frame. Then, locate the hole on the middle frame bar that aligns with the lower frame locking pin and secure using an included hand screw on the outside of the assembly frame. Repeat this on both sides of the frame. Last, you'll attach the included travel bag at the center of the rollator frame. Wrap the two attaching flaps located on either side around the rollator frame and secure using the metal snaps. And there you go. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. For more information and other great products, visit us at vivehealth.com.